a beach mwatutumia pia a beach party president me Uganda People's Congress Jimmy James Michael Akena obedo kede rally marame otojo man mobilization tour e Kole district unbel igombole Apola Popat kede town councils ameti Kole district en binucha obel marani e Akalo town council kaname jo Apola Popat me chwa hopat me Uganda People's Congress ujala ye kede jom chunya duong buni ya kina genuti utala nyuchu ame unyuro miriki me chung iwotalo luak itepat me UPC ikabede Apola Popat chako igombola whatna council me districts Popat eka obedo jome Kole kiken amu ojole nyo wor kede irale merani ento uchung kede tara amo ya district he Popat meti yilang kan actually karishel kede kumam obedo kede shel kede kare no kede Jimmy Akena yebebe merani Kole district so man Akalo town council kana me yuberetie awara nyim Majolan party president Jimmy James Michael Akena Yeah, they had to leave the center of Akalo town to welcome the party president at the corner here. He was coming from Lira. Now you see they are standing on the either sides of the road as they wait to usher in the party president Jimmy James Michael Akena coming with a large convoy from the city. A lot of excitement is there. Dancing on the road, but security organized by the party manage this large crowd in order to ensure free flow of traffic and to avoid any possibility of accident as they excitedly welcome and celebrate their party, Uganda People's Congress. As you can see, when you see their faces, you find that they are really dancing to the bottom of their hearts with love for their party, UPC. Here comes the convoy of the party president, Jimmy James Michael Akena, accompanying him are the contestants and the UPC party ticket. In front is the new ambulance bought by the Member of Parliament for Kole South constituency, Akalo. Oh, this is the whole one. He previously bought 2 ambulances. Now he has added one. The one that has just passed is actually an old one. So here the convoy about the president is coming in. Sorry, campaign team. This is at Akalo sub-county headquarters, where he's going to make his first speech. But before that, he went and commissioned a water project, a solar-powered water project. I think the technical term is called a production well. This water project was constructed by the area member of parliament of this area, Peter Shen Akalo, who subscribes to Uganda People's Congress. So in front of that tank is a party president, accompanied by other aspirants of Uganda People Congress, and also the national vice chairman of Uganda People's Congress, and the Secretary General Fred Billy Bill, the UPC chairperson of Kole district and other districts as well. And the work is done, the commissioning is done. People are getting back to the ground to listen to the party president Jimmy James Michael Akena's speech, the first speech in Kole district as far as this journey, this tour is concerned. From here it's going to proceed to Bala Town Council, where he's also going to address the people in Bala Town Council at Bala Primary School grounds.
Is it okay? Okay. UPC! UPC! UPC la Keynote! UPC la Akalo! UPC la Joyogo! Akalo we! Akalo we! Akalo tie! Kalo we uroba! Iri tie urobe! Yiwu yo! Awinyi tie do! Apoya! Your Excellency, I want to thank God so much for bringing you to this rural sub-county of Akalo, Kole district. I stand here on behalf of the people of Kole district to welcome you officially in this district. Luakwe, chawape, nena binukan. Apoy wanate, ana binukan, Major Party President. Pierre Karame Party President, Adwogi Uganda, Papere, Dr. Apollo Milton Obore, Uchwalo na Ichiwa Bach. Teko Bamiru Vatina, Kwan Jimmy, Iter Boro Dome UPC, Melira, Adeti Modang. Teko Bani Atina Machualo no. Atino, Obiru, Achala Lar, Mekonye Lao, Kere Gonye Uganda Disujali Wuro. Ichake Wuro. Ana Tiama Duogo. Unabira ambassador Luba. Ana Duogo Poshu. Ana Nyajo Kole. Awara Tiu Muhabira. Meda Nyo Merekuno. Aduogo Medango Poshu. Buwe. Oye Wurate.
Okay. Tichumbi.
Orebe Urubalu Mepa. Abalalim. Amaru. Apu. Ye yumeneno. Arachuenyi munyi abere uma. Janet Okulo. Amemola pe okubo. Wapia riawi ya chela na chumbe mpia daho mekole. Kuira terem. Ulungu.
Deni subolo beronia. Enne luake koro miya ko bikin na ber chate kene. Yo kero miya nyingo lanka. An peo ko bukinara pol. Bien luake kole. Ama bir UPC kere movement. Omo onipi we won kama beach make on the district. Gini chwa loka deni subol ke ken gina ber chate kene. Tapit yen ko baryo ke ken. Odio ko bol. Back seriously go. Aya poyo. Kakan. Yeah, Winjaber. Daniel Uluk Ukori. AKA Organic. Chaki President Jim Akena Tiamako. Uti muginu loni engine overhaul. Kole. Atia biru mechung. One Kona Beach Med District. Kole. 2026. Wait. Oh yeah.
Uganda. Mano bere woman Janet Okao. Atia chung me bere member me parliament na daho. Amoretar district. UPC. Kanoro Dushu. UPC. Akalo. UPC. Nahia Choli. UPC. Apoyo Luak Major Party President we Roma Malu. Ano Luanya Billy Joyce Indrela. Abeyo Koralamo Chwali ya Choli. Ametia Nyak. Doatia Chungpi Woman MP Menuaya District. Apoyo Mono.
UPC! Everybody! UPC! You and me! UPC! Lira Koro! UPC! Kole Koro! UPC! Uganda Dushu! UPC! Yeah, Dennis Opilia. Atia Chung, Mewari Parliament, Mechualo Duan Luak Memoroto, Wani Moroto, Orodo Kapol, Don Wapetia Winyere Parliament. Ando binuko akwa ejo dushu nicho chungere honorable Jimmy Akena wangi presidency aduogi lao obame dogo UPC everybody Anabera Racha Alphonse puoda meda kere chung metero tuolwa me Akalo sub-county in district council Kole. Apuyu bibino beyo kere goyo olweyo ikom Jimmy Michael Akena. UPC Akalo kono Abeli kono Akalo kono Ocean Akalo Nyabero Raila Odinga Jo Akwaro Gora Chela Kena Kiti Amaya wote bero won koma deke gomora Akalo Ria pia wa bishel
UPC Kole kono Jawapone no uduch Nyinga Obeda Kele Joyce Lady Joy the lady herself Maranitin Ninaliye Daga metia chungo Obeda woman member me parliament me kabera maido baby me UPC
Yin kono Wandushu Luane Kawenya Padi Alwala Kawenya Padi Alwala Amak bendera achon amera dokura mako igombola ye the ward district council me Kole Ochoa Hono Honorable Jimmy Party President me Uganda People's Congress Apoyo Lohachel Secretary
UPC Jawabe atuchukanyia Anya Margaret atengu team Empia chone Lira district adando kaduogu Lira district Woyo numate
UPC Man Oming Ajoro Robert Oming Ajoro Ajung Mebero Kole UPC Chairperson Amita walk there no I take good oko Anamita walk
UPC everywhere. Man grace a team of wall. I chose maybe a woman MP in your MP at Lira district. Akwa Iwoni, Oboli James Jimmy, Akena Queen.
UPC Ano luari janata don honorable councilor me Barakaro Paris amado kada apoyo uno. Oh wow Jawa Nia Luonia Chola Susan Nengola Ajubi bela member me parliament ada open wang me pai Kuido UPC yopa Akena bora nuobe kamanda wa Dong Kole Tiwi nyawuro Kuido na bela mata bachi Wi urumo Bami wuko
UPC when you were already Olo when you Uganda long Olo when you Uganda long UPC and Olo when UPC Alo when UPC Alo when Baro pero William Nya Dana me achung maybe won come Lira district Eka na tiarwa yolwa meme yakena wo parliament Atami your MPs with a poll, ministers and what Akena MPs may UPC apoyo watek. Akaya was the president Atami Joa with the parliament.
Oh, district, regional.
UPC Bramita Balchawa, Annabelle Dear Kalex, I tell you, my two will walk my car South County district.
Annabelle Peter. Abel won koma deg ma Akalo da pore ja me da he koma me chobo program ma da abel won koma UPC ti Akalo sub county da pore da he koma for you do show amen
la da apoyo uno ba akia ko be woni na this time uchako gweti pinga imanu UPC kiken.
UPC man udo DK won Koma Beach na Leptong district Puyo mate Puyo kopie chela ken diri cha chora jone tielu woro kai boru mano jota ko kwira bero ba me polo biyo mate Puyo mate UPC apoyo rock sawa
ko be wuni Sado Rono, Metro Atina, Sado Rono, Metro UPC, Obama, the Hukum. Take start one. National Task Force, me Uganda, Ame Choro, or Mirum, I would Kena, Uganda Long, Memena cannot be prison, Uganda, Obama Hukum. Manila more people this person ni ututa nyingi beti ko buginoro ko buga nyingi UPC nia road bitapi ati party me UPC dan pora tia chu UPC achalo me ya me Akalo town council Ogame unuba I don't know what he movement. Let's show what he got. He's shopping. That's shopping. One of you boy ponder. What money? You ponder ni party president and the door binu jole to pegera in the kobunyeko. Everybody, everywhere, even us. Ania boni okelo kon pasu. No aberu MP me Kole North ite party me NRM. Eta duo ko pasu me bino konyo mina. Ko bino konyo mina wa pit. O mino ado ka duo ko. Ada jungdo eme beda me ba parliament me Kole me data kurdoki. Ite party me UPC. Mr. President, sir, with due respect, come and talk to the gathering. You are not party president. Where are you? DJ. Are you? Everybody! All of us! Anabel Muse Simon Pio Kaka, Abel won come UPC Piliera City. Akelu Daniel, who take up bear me on Kijamito. Uru comment in Uganda. Apo water. Peter. To Balochawa, where the local left mono. Timokisha left long on take. Mayor Chel, number one, I am very happy to see my brother Akalo Coin in a red tie in the Congress. Apoyo dog pacho. Urukano kene wan peo gonya ko kani ye yom menne no kero kon odu pasha beti ruta reba. The the task which we have going ahead, it needs everybody. So as UPC, we want everybody on board as we change this country of ours. I am not here to attack anybody. But if you attack me, be sure I can answer you. There are people who say Akena is too quiet. Akena is quiet, yes, but when you provoke me, you will hear me. But if we do things properly, there is no problem. UPC is here for the people. And therefore I'm honored to be here today in Akalo. Together with this honorable MP for the work he's doing and the water he has put here in Akalo Town Council. For me, whoever is holding my flag, that is my candidate. And I will support that candidate with everything I have. Because I am sure that time has come for UPC to be heard in the whole of Uganda. Now already when people are hearing UPC, others are getting scared. They're starting doing funny things, strange things. But for me, I'm saying, whatever you do, I'm going ahead. So I am ready for anything that they're going to throw at me. I am not turning back. 2026 is the year for change. To be sure, let me see the hands of those who are ready to vote for Akena for president. The ones at the back. Maintain that confidence. I will do my part as best as I can. I am here today to mobilize and to support my candidates who are carrying my flag, who want to carry my flag.
That was in Akalo Town Council, but now we are in sorry for that, we are now in Bala Town Council at Bala Primary School grounds, and here these are ambulances brought by Akalo, the area member of parliament of Kole South constituency. And here Reverend is praying on his new ambulance before the party president Jimmy James Michael Akena could commission it. It is happening at Bala Primary School playground in Kole South in the constituency of Peter Uchen Akalo.
Kwanyumi yung ato kene eto kwanyumi yiching mekisa. Obanga moti ene ame omiwa bien mon duchu jo duchu tinu duchu binu donye ye kagindo ngotie kede tuo tek. Obanga wanu pui pi moti yung moti ni natin wanu kwa yinu banga ni gamuko kawando biti kede yikole kan yinyingo banga pap obanga wotu banga chujele.
Amen.
Are you? Oh. Apoy nini mo? Iju na be. Para te nini? Tia be. Apoyo. Kami tu balotao. Weka lopi la kono. I am honored and humbled to be here in Bala today. I am also touched on what we've been able to do so far in Bala.
Mando yao ko Bala Town Council jawane doti Kole Town Council amen ngeye kere nying me ayer jawane party president Jimmy James Michael Akena is going to address his supporters together with other aspirants of Uganda People's Congress. He's going to open the UPC party office in Kole Town Council. Then later is also going to open a UPC office in Aboke Town Council before proceeding now to Kole North.
I am honored and happy to see all of you here.
This is Kona Molem Aboke, which is on Lera Kamdini Highway. It is the UPC party office is being opened by the UPC party president at Kona Molem Aboke in Aboke Town Council, Kole North Kole District. We were previously in Kole Town Council, which was still in Kole South, but now we have crossed to Kole North at Aboke Town Council. Then from here we are now going to proceed to Alero. From Alero we are going to head to Ukwerodot sub-county. Here the party president is going to address people very, very briefly, then proceeds. In every venue, in every place, he is asking people to show if they are willing to vote for him. And large number of people are putting up their hands to express their decision to vote for him in 2026 general election or presidential election. What I can pick from the background, what people are saying at the background, especially there was a woman who was shouting that I am going to vote for you whether I am alone. Your sham has got me. Militido mahako arido kena anda boligui. So that expression does not mean that he's using sham or what, but the woman in Lao here, when the person has loved you wholeheartedly, will say that your sham has got me, meaning his or her heart is completely or entirely on that particular person. This is what this lady was expressing. And here we are at the home of the former member of parliament of Kole North, and this is Ogwang Beriduogo. Ogwang Beriduogo. He contested, he was known very well because when he came back from diaspora and when he was contesting, he used to tell people that he had a lot of money, like the leaves of the tamarind tree, you see. That is what he used to tell people, and people voted for him. He only went to parliament once, and now he's retired and residing here in his home in Abohe Town Council. The party president, Jimmy James Michael Akena, paid a courtesy visit to his home where he is currently residing. And finally, we are in our last venue. This is in Alero Town Council, where the party president is going to address the crowd. And this was the largest crowd we had in this mobilization tour of Kole district. This was the largest, and it is happening in Alero Town Council, and it is already late. It's just few minutes to 7 p.m. now. It is getting dark, and the intention was to head to Ukwaradot sub-county for another rally, but the time caught up with the party president, so Ukwaradot rally was postponed. And but we passed through Ukwaradot on our way back to Lira City, but there was nothing much to be done. However, the party president and the entire team in the convoy had to visit the home of one of the aspirants, that is Janet Okulu, popularly known as Amembolao, where he laid breath on the grave of one of Store UPC supporter in that family. That was at night already. That was now when it was very dark. And from there now, we had to go back to Lira City because there was nothing else that could be done.
Are you ready for change? And in bringing that change, I am contesting for the presidency of Uganda 2026. To be able to do that, I need your help. I need you to be in the party when you're right today. I'm also asking you to support the candidates who shall get the flag for UPC. And for me, as a UPC president, I will support every flag bearer with everything I have got.
And for me, as the UPC party president, I will support every flag bearer with everything I've got. That was the last statement I have recorded from the UPC party president, Jimmy James Michael Akena, in Alito, Kole district. My name is Dennis Ongora. This is Lao News Channel. Please subscribe and be part of updates of what is happening in Lango and across the country. I have a number of followers in Kampala and outside the country, and including those who are home in Lango here. I am grateful. Please be there with us. We will always keep you updated.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.